During a snowstorm in Loudoun County, Virginia, I got on the road looking for people who needed help. That's when I met Jeremy. He was on his way home when his vehicle slipped and crashed into the median. Jeremy was fine, however, his car's axle and wheel were broken, so I offered him some help.
All right, you ready to go, brother?
Yeah.
You all set?
Yeah.
Let's do this.
I had to stay on the brakes the whole time. When I let go of the brakes, they were just going.
Wow. I saw you were swinging left and right, man.
Good thoughts and actions can never produce bad results. Bad thoughts and actions can never produce good results. This is but saying that nothing can come from corn but corn, nothing from nettles but nettles.
All right, so your car looks like something had caught underneath on your left side.
Yeah.
The lower control arm has been broken, and it yanked the sway bar link out and your axle. So all three of those points are damaged.
It's about $1,000.
$1,000?
Yeah,
Wow.
$998.
Oh, that's a lot.
It's $1,000 to fix it.
Right.
Yeah, close. Yeah.
Okay.
I met Jeremy last night and I helped him tow his car, and then I was driving him home.
Yeah.
And is this going to be a problem for you to cover this cost, or is this going to make a dent in your finance?
Yeah, it's gonna make a big dent in my finance. I wasn't first I wasn't expecting for this to happen,
Right.
and then paying all this, it's a lot of money to get fixed.
So, Jeremy, what I wanted to do was I just wanted to tell you that I appreciate you as a person,
You too, as well.
and I'm grateful for having the opportunity to come there and help you tow your car. What I wanted to do was I wanted to go ahead and cover the entire cost.
Are you serious?
Yeah. That's $998.92.
Yeah, that's
Awesome.
Thank you, sir. It's amazing what you do, sir. Like, there should be
Pleasure's
more
all
people
mine, man.
around that do that stuff around. Like, now, like, I feel like in my heart that I have to go out there and find someone and help them.